Introduction of hyaluronic acids. In recent years, breakthroughs in the medical aesthetics industry have revolutionized how we care for our skin. Among these advancements, one ingredient has gained significant attention for its proven efficacy in enhancing skin health and appearance: hyaluronic acid. Let's uncover why this exceptional molecule is at the forefront of skincare science. What is hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring molecule found in your body, especially in your skin, joints, and eyes. Its unique ability to retain up to 1,000 times its weight in water makes it a powerhouse for hydration. When applied to your skin, it works like a sponge, drawing in moisture and locking it in, giving your skin a plump and smooth appearance. How does hyaluronic acid work? So, how exactly does hyaluronic acid work its magic on your skin? When applied topically, hyaluronic acid sits on the skin's surface, creating a moisture-retaining layer that keeps your skin hydrated throughout the day. It also penetrates the upper layers of the skin, replenishing lost hydration and helping cells maintain their optimal moisture balance. Additionally, it enhances the skin's ability to retain water and supports the production of natural collagen, boosting elasticity and smoothness. This dual-action mechanism ensures that your skin stays nourished, plump, and rejuvenated, making hyaluronic acid an essential in modern skincare. Key benefits of hyaluronic acid for skin. So how does hyaluronic acid benefit your skin? Let's break it down. It delivers intense hydration, improving your skin's elasticity and giving it a soft, dewy glow. Say goodbye to dryness. It smooths fine lines and wrinkles, making it a trusted ally in the fight against premature aging. It strengthens your skin's natural protective barrier, helping to shield you from pollutants and environmental stressors. And the best part? It's suitable for all skin types, from oily to sensitive, making it a versatile solution for everyone. With these benefits, it's no wonder hyaluronic acid is a must-have in modern skincare routines. Hyaluronic acids from BOC Sciences. At BOC Sciences, we specialize in delivering premium-quality hyaluronic acid that meets the highest standards. Our products are designed to cater to diverse industries, from skincare manufacturers to scientific research. With our advanced technology and commitment to excellence, we ensure every batch is pure, reliable, and effective. By choosing BOC Sciences, you're not just getting a product, you're gaining a trusted partner in innovation and quality. Ready to elevate your skincare formulations? Reach out to BOC Sciences today to discover how our hyaluronic acid can transform your products. Let's work together to bring the benefits of science and beauty to everyone.